Hello everyone. In this short demo, I'll show you how we have built a resume portal for Government College of Engineering Amravati students to help them get internships as well as jobs. So when a student or anyone comes into this portal, then they can register here. So for example, employers can try to get access, and alumni can also offer help by hiring the interns, but access to employers and alumni is completely limited by and depends on the admin. So the students can of course freely come in and then they can submit the resume here. So if you click here, then you'll see that they can of course enter full name, phone number, email address, and many other things, including their LinkedIn profile link and all that, certificates. But the most important part here is they can submit the resume in PDF format, and there is no restriction on what that format should be. So they can be as creative as they want, and they can have as many pages in that resume as they would like. Of course, shorter the better. So this is where the students can submit the resume, but even after they submit the resume, it is not immediately becomes active on the portal. The admin has to approve it. So if I log in here as admin, you will get an idea about what is there inside. Without the login, you won't be able to see anything from the portal. So as you can see that there is one approval that is currently pending, and then there are 64 listings that are live. So after I log in as admin, I'll immediately see the resumes on the top. The best part here is that if you can notice that Rohit is the topmost resume that is visible here. But if I come in second time, then you should not expect the same person to be here. This is so that like everybody gets a fair chance to for admin to take a look. And then on the left hand side, you must have noticed that the resumes are categorized by their branch. Then again, this is not compulsory. The categories could be defined by the admin. So if I go here at the top level, then you will see that there is a add new category. I can click here, and I can add the categories. So these are the existing categories, and I did this by branch, but you could kind of categorize it at any other level. So if I go back again to the dashboard, then you will see that there is one resume pending for approval. So admin can go here, and then you'll see this particular resume waiting to be approved. So if I click here, then I should be able to see all the details, right? But then normally what we do is that we get the approval from the college facility if this is really a bona fide student of the college, and if he is, then we take a look at his resume, and then finally we just approve him based on which branch he belongs to. So there are many other interesting things that can be done here, other than of course categorizing and all that. So if click on any of the resumes, for example, let me pick something out of here. All right, I'll take this one. So he seems like he has entered something. So I'll take a look at this resume. So you'll see that he has submitted like one certificate, then he has submitted resume, then he has submitted a LinkedIn profile, then he has submitted the okay, all right. So here you can admin can directly contact this person via SMS from this link itself. So I can put in the name, mobile number, details, and I can send him. So for example, if I feel that this particular resume matches a particular employer's job description, then most likely I'm going to ask him if he's still interested in working as an intern for so and so company. And then of course, if this is not a public profile, so this is not available outside. But if it was, then I could very easily send the link to this profile as a SMS to anybody I want. So these are the certain interesting features that are available as part of this portal. So this was just a top view. There are many more things that we can describe in detail once like somebody like employer or student is interested in using this portal. So thank you very much.